Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw front view, top view and left hand side view of this object in third angle. Observer is watching it from this direction, direction X. So first we'll see length, width and height. So length is 60, width is 40 and height is 10 plus 30, 40. So now we need to draw it in third angle. So in third angle, front view comes down. So what I will do, I will just draw one horizontal line. Length is 60, so I will take 60. Height is 40. After drawing this box for front view, that is 60 by 40, I will leave 20. And again, I will take width, which is 40. So we are done with front view, top view. Now I want to draw side view, left hand side view. So I will take 45 degree like this. We are drawing third angle. So in third angle, left hand side view comes on left side. So I'll draw 45 degree from here. And then I will extend this down. This is how it will come. So what I will get is side view, front view, top view and side view, right? Now I need to draw front view. So in front view, I'll see this part, this part, this part, and this part, and this slope also. So what I need to do, I need to mark 40. Then this height is 10. So I will draw this part first. See this. And from here, vertical line. For this, then we have 10, 10 on both the sides. And from here, I will join like this. So this is how it will appear in front view. Now, if I want to draw top view, then what I will do, I'll extend this up. How much is this? 15 plus 10, which is 25. Then you draw a line like this. Then you do 10. You take 10 from here. Then draw a vertical line. How much is this? 10. You join from here. This is what you get in top view. Okay. So this part is dark and this part is dark. This won't be dark. There is a gap. And this line will be dark because of this. And the behind line will be dark. And then this 10 mm. So I will take 10 from here. This is how the top view will come. Now, if I want to draw side view, then what I will do, I will extend all these lines here. Then I'll project this down. And I'll extend line from here. See, I will get this part, rectangle. Then this 10. Then again, this is 25. That line is over here. This much will be dark inside view. Now there is one dotted, this line, which you can't see from the side. So for that, how much I need to take? I need to take 10 from here. Or I can project from here also. It will be one and same. You can project from here. and this will be dotted. So this way we are done with front view, top view, and left hand side view in third angle. Thank you.